Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Lenovo ThinkVision E24q-30 and E22-30 monitors with blue light reduction. So friends, Lenovo has unveiled its Lenovo ThinkVision E24q-30 and ThinkVision E22-30 liquid crystal displays featuring IPS panels with sleek narrow frames. And these monitors are designed to reduce eye strain through the use of natural low blue light technology without causing the screen to turn yellow, and introduce this monitor with pricing starting at $189 for the ThinkVision E24q-30 and ThinkVision E22-30 monitors are equipped with advanced technology to reduce blue light without compromising display quality. And friend, first ThinkVision E24q-30's specification is screen size is 23.8 inch, resolution 2560 by 1440 pixels, IPS panel type, narrow frame on three-side frame design, natural low blue light technology, 1000 gem1 contrast ratio, 6 millisecond response speed, 178-degree horizontal and vertical viewing angle, DisplayPort and HDMI, 4.7 kg approximately weight. And friend, the second ThinkVision E22-30 screen size is 21.5 inch. Resolution is 1920 by 1080 pixels, IPS panel type, natural blue light technology, over 16.77 million colors, 250 cadmium per meter square, maximum brightness, 1000 gem1 contrast ratio, 6 millisecond response speed, 178-degree horizontal and vertical viewing angle, DisplayPort, HDMI and D-Sub interface, and approximately 4.3 kg weight. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.